Hey folks, it's Nikki. Let's look at this reception desk we did for a client, an accounting firm, and it looked really, really sharp. So let's go through it. I like to include what's included just so you can actually see what you'd be purchasing. So you've got the main piece that is a 30 by 70-ish piece. So it's a 6 feet in length. And then you've got the return, which is 42, and then that's 24 inches in deep. And then you've got this paper management piece, which is really sharp. I think that kind of adds that contrast and it complements the best-selling gray really well. And then you got a box file for storage, pencils, purse, whatever you need, storage files. It's that bottom drawer. And then you got the transaction top, which transaction tops are always good if you've got going to be exchanging paperwork, someone's going to sign a check or whatnot. And you can kind of see how they have used it. You've got a bell up front in case the person that works here is away. You've got business cards. So let's go and look at a little bit more pictures of it. So here's a couple more angles so you can see how that works. Again, this is the best-selling gray, but there are other finishes. And then along with that too, I want to show what each piece, how that each measures out so that you can see if it would work in your place. Here we show the return on one side. That could be moved with the same pieces. So whichever way you need that return to set, it's possible to do. And let me recap with some of my notes. So it's a 6 by 6 footprint. You do have the one file, box file for storage. You could upgrade to another file. So if you have more storage needs, you could do that. So next steps, ask for a quote. We will, depending on where you're located, either we will service this or we will pass it along to a dealer that is close to you and an installer. Just depends on the location. What we want to do is cut down on those shipping costs as possible. So we try to work with the network of dealers. So just depends on where you're located and how we can make that work. But we would, if this is something you've been looking for, please reach out. Thanks.